Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Series.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Go to Sequence, then Sequence Setting, then change the frame size horizontal and vertical. Then click OK. Ignore this and click on OK. Then double-click on the video in Scale and adjust accordingly. There is another easier way, so let's undo everything, then go to Sequence and select Auto Reframe Sequence. Then click on Target Aspect Ratio and change it to vertical 9:16 and click on Create.